Today we're going to make Pichi, Cacio, Pepe pasta. First, to make your dough, add in 350 grams of all-purpose flour and 150 grams of water, and then to that add in 20 milliliters of olive oil. Mix your ingredients until a dough forms, then knead your dough for about 10 minutes. Once you're done kneading, you can cut the dough into strips to make your peachy shapes. Add your pasta to boiling salted water and cook close to al dente. While your pasta is cooking, you can make your cheese paste. You're going to grate 85 grams of pecorino romano and then add in enough water to make a paste. Next, you're going to make your pepper sauce. You're going to toast peppercorns over medium heat on a pan. Then you're going to add in some of your pasta water. Next, add in your pasta to your pepper sauce and then add in your cheese paste and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes.